Good day! Today we'll be talking about the concept of a one-to-one function. To begin with, what is a one-to-one function? A function can be considered as a one-to-one if the domain corresponds to exactly one unique range. Also, it satisfies both the vertical and horizontal line tests. Here we have two figures. In figure 1, we can say that it is a one-to-one function just by looking at it since each domain corresponds to exactly one unique range. However, in figure 2, the first and second element of the domain corresponds to the same range, which can be considered as one-to-one. There is also another and easier way to determine whether a function is a one-to-one or not. Now let's try these two equations. F of x is equal to x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x squared minus 1. We can see that if we try to graph the first equation and do the horizontal and vertical line test, we can see that it passes both. However, in the second equation, we can see that it satisfies the vertical line test but it did not pass the horizontal line test. Therefore, it can be considered as a one-to-one function. The easiest way we can determine if a function is a one-to-one is by looking at its exponent. If the exponent is an odd number, it is a one-to-one. If it's even, then it's not. Just like what I said earlier, we can easily determine it by looking at its exponent. In the first equation, it has an exponent of 1. Therefore, it is automatically a one-to-one function. In the second equation, it has an exponent of 2. Therefore, it is not. We can also prove this by substituting some numbers in the given equation. Now let's try the sample word problem. Let z equals to the set of 3, 4, 8, and 10, and c equals to the set of w, x, y, and z. Which of the following sets of ordered pairs represent a one-to-one function? So in the first option, the same value of x is mapped with each part of y, so it can't be considered as a function, and hence it is not a one-to-one function. In the third option, different values of x are mapped with each ordered pair, but 3 and 8 share the same range of x, hence it is not a one-to-one function. In the second option, it uses a unique element from D for every unique element from C, thus representing a one-to-one function. Therefore, B is the answer. And now we're done. I hope you learned something watching this video. Goodbye!
Created using Powtoon.